I agree with the Deputy Minority that the locations and the number of Chinese working here pose national security threat, no? Pero gusto ko lang din sabihin sa lahat, let us not look at China as our enemy. But at the same time, consider this as a security issue, no? We do not look at them like that. Pero meron talagang mga installations ang military na dapat hindi malapit yung mga ganitong establishments. But again, huwag nating tingnan yung China na kaaway natin. Let us be friends with all of the countries, but still exercise caution when it comes to national security.